Maybe you want to send a message on TikTok, but when you send this message, you receive a notification or your message not delivered or not sent to some people. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem and how to send a message to everyone on TikTok. So let's get started. First thing you want to do, open the TikTok. First thing, I will show you the problem and how to solve it. First thing, go to TikTok app and open it. As we say, you open the TikTok like this. Then, when you open the TikTok, go to the profile icon down here. Click on the inbox option or icon. Click on it. Then, as you see, it's showing you all the messages and notification in your account. For example, you send a message to someone. For example, this person. I contact him like this. I send a message to this person, but I receive this I option telling me this message not sent, as you see here down. First way to fix this problem is by checking if this person is followed you or not. As you see here, only friends can send message to each other. So this person can't receive your messages. If the only way to receive your messages is by going to friend with this person. If you are not friend, you will not this person. So this person will not receive your message. So you must check if this person is a friend, is your friend or not. So this is the first problem and the first way and the first solution. The second solution, check if this person is blocked you or not. What you're going to do, you go to search for this person, for example, this name. I will search for it like this. If it's telling you this person or not, no result found, so this person is blocked you or not following you, so you can message him. So this is how to solve it. The second way to solve this problem, if the first way not working, the second way is by going to your profile down here, then click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy. If not working, the first solution, sorry. For example, you have this friend, and send him a message, but person is your friend on TikTok, but you receive the same message here telling you that your message not sent. What you're gonna do here in this in this case, go to your profile icon here and click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy, then click or search for report problem. Click on it. Then here you will report a problem and send a message to TikTok support team about your problem. And the problem is about the message not sent. Here you write your message. I will write the message, I will back to you. As you see here, this is the message you want to send or you must send to TikTok team to fix your problem. That the message is like this: Hi TikTok team. When I sent message to some people on TikTok, I received notification that said to me that this message not sent. Please help me to fix this problem very soon. Thanks, team TikTok. And you can add your message, your own message. This is just the example. Take this example and make some edits on it. And you can add some pictures, screenshots, or a video, small video, to explain to support a team the problem. Go to the problem place when the problem is situated on the messages section, and take screenshot and add it here. Then when you finish, click on submit and wait until the problem is solved and until the TikTok team will notify you by a message or by notification telling you about the solution or about your problem. So this is how to fix not sent message not sent problem on your TikTok account. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.